Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's session. Today we are going to start class 3 EVS chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Earth, our home. We all know that we live on the planet Earth. The planet Earth is the home of all the living beings like plants, animals, birds, trees, mammals, humans and so on. The Earth is the only planet in the whole solar system where life exists. Let us see why is it so. The distance between the Earth and the Sun, if you will see, it is neither too close nor too far. This is the reason that the temperature of the Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. Thus, this helps in the existence of the life on the Earth. The second important thing is land, water and air that is found on the Earth. On your screen you can see the diagram of a solar system. Our Earth is one of the 8 planets of the solar system. Let us see the other planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Out of all these 8 planets, Earth is the only planet where life exists. Now let us talk about the shape of the Earth. Our Earth is circular in shape. It is round with slightly flat end. Thus, the diagram or the shape of the Earth is also compared to the shape of an orange. Earlier, people used to assume that the Earth is flat. That is why the people used to be afraid of traveling to a far off distances, because they thought that if they travel to far distances, they might fall off the edges. It was proved wrong first by Ferdinand Magellan, who was a Portuguese sailor. In the year 1519, he sailed from Spain for 3 years. After 3 years, that is in the year 1522, he reached the same place. Thus, he proved that the Earth is round. Again, in the year 1969, Edwin Aldrin and Neil Armstrong landed on the moon, and from there they took some pictures of the Earth, which made it very clear that the Earth is round. Our Earth has 2 endpoints. They are North Pole and the South Pole. Both the North Pole and the South Pole are slightly flat. As we have all seen that on our Earth there are different features like mountains, valleys, plateaus, plains, etc. Thus, we can say the Earth is not the same everywhere. Now, what is an atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thin layer of the air that we find above the Earth, which extends up to 2400 km from the Earth's surface. Now, this atmosphere is very important as it protects the Earth from the harmful rays that comes from the sun. So thus we come to an end of the chapter. I hope you have understood the thing. Thank you.